Okay, guys, to solve a problem like this, we need to use some of our laws of exponents, okay? One of those main laws we're going to need to use is anything to the 0 power is equal to 1, okay? Another rule that we'll need to use is what happens when we have an exponent raised to another exponent. We multiply those exponents together, okay? So that's just a quick review of what the laws are that we need for this problem, okay? So for instance, in this first one, in this first part of the problem, you'll notice that this entire set of parentheses is raised to the 0 power, which means that entire thing is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Doesn't matter what it is, okay? Times, now the second part, we have x to the 16th, and then it's also raised to the 1/2. So like we said over here, when that happens, we have to multiply the exponents. So we're multiplying 16 times 1/2. And of course, if you're not sure what that is, you can use your calculator to help you. 16 times, control divide will give you a fraction, 1/2, and it is 8. So we're going to go back, and we're going to write x to the 8th, because these multiplied together give us 8. 1 times x to the 8th is x to the 8th. Hope that helps.